Okay guys, so before I get into this video, I just want to let you guys know about the best build server in Rust, and it's called the Builder's Sanctuary. If you don't know about the Builder's Sanctuary, don't worry, I'm just going to hop in now and just give you a quick explanation on what is going on here. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice about when you come into the Builder's Sanctuary is that you get dedicated your own island to build and do whatever you want. So whatever you do on this island, you can save it and reload it at any time, which I'll show you pretty much now. So if you press the middle mouse button, you'll get the most user-friendly UI I've seen on any build server on Rust. So I'll just show you a few things, like you can save your island, you can load your island, you can wipe your island, all these things. So if I want to load an island, I just click load. It will show you all your saves that you've got for all your base designs. Then you click load and then click yes, and there you go, boom, it actually loads a base that you have saved. Another feature that I like about this server is the fact that you have, say, build grade. So if I just wanted to start building my base in stone straight away, I just click stone, and then anything I add onto this base is in stone, as you can see. Amazing. Also, other things that are cool are things like symmetry. So if you're an advanced or veteran builder and you're building things like multi-TC bases, you can use this and build a multi-TC base in a fraction of the time it will take you on any other build server. So guys, come check this server out. I'll put a link in the description down below, and yeah, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so let me show you this double bunker base design that I've built. As you can see, it's quite large, but if you're on a big group or a modded server, it's perfectly doable, I think. Anyway, so let's move on. So before I start, I need to shout out Dirac again, because I've used a modified version of his bi-directional bunker design and modified it to fit my own bunker design. So shout outs to him. Link to his channels in the description down below. Make sure you go check him out, guys. Anyway, so let's move on. So what is a double bunker? So if people raid through the base that you build around this and get to this point, they're going to think they've hit the jackpot. They're going to see HQM and a metal roof, and they're going to think, wow, okay, happy days, 8 rockets, boom, we're into the core, guys. Unfortunately, they are not, because underneath is some more sheet metal, which is going to be another, not 8, it'll be 7, because the HQM walls will go before the sheet metal does. So there's going to be another 7 rockets on that before the wall fails. Anyway, so what we'll do is we'll drop down in. Now, I haven't furnished this one because I've done the same layout as a previous bunker design, so I will put a link to that video in the top right hand corner now if you want to know a method on how to furnish this. Okay, so, oh, that's supposed to be HQM, sorry about that. So what we can do is, at the minute, it is only openable from the outside, but we can make this bi-directional, but it does have a cost. So let's show you how to seal it first. Okay, so if we come here, you grab a triangle, just jump, and spam, crouch, and hit that, and place your triangle floor, upgrade it to sheet metal. When you come up top, all you do is stand here, grab a triangle roof, place that, and make that sheet metal, and that is now sealed. And to open it, you come around here, and you just place a triangle roof. I think you can place it there. No. It's that one. That's the one you want, right there, and boom, the double bunker opens up. To make it bi-directional, I'll show you the weaknesses it causes as well, is you put 2 half walls in here. Now the problem with this is you can only get to this stage here when it has all been honeycombed. So when this section has been honeycombed, when this has been honeycombed. I'm not 100% sure which part it was which allowed me to make it bi-directional, but it wasn't bi-directional before I honeycombed it. So that is just one downfall of it. Also, the other downfall basically is, I think it's in here, if they blow through this 8 rockets and then they soft side this HQM foundation, boom, they are then into a part of your core. Obviously you'll have some garage doors and more to go through, but they will be into a part of the core. Okay, which for me, if this full wall is HQM, they have to soft side this they have to spend 8 rockets and then soft side 2 HQM pieces to get in to the same point. So soft siding 2 HQM parts is just not very realistic, in all honesty, but there are people out there that will do it. Okay, so that is the pros and cons. Let's get into the build. Okay, so to build this, guys, you need to start off with a triangle foundation, place it roughly half height, doesn't matter where, and then stand on the tip. Okay, once you're on the tip, place a triangle foundation as high as you can. You need to do this preferably on flat terrain, and then what we do is we place 2 foundations down, so we get one on the floor and then 2 pylons. Okay, so the rest I'm going to build in sheet metal just to speed up the video. So this is the floor plan you're going to want to go for. 5 triangles in a row and then 3 coming off the back of that, and then we'll put some on the top like so. So you're looking at this layout. Okay, then what you want to do is put 2 half walls, 2 triangle floors, and join them up with triangle frames. Now at this point I recommend we go ahead and make these all HQM, because you're going to struggle to do that later otherwise. Okay, then what we do is we're going to place a triangle foundation in these 2, and we're going to make them HQM, and then we're going to place another triangle foundation up high and make that HQM. Okay, so once you've done that, what we can do is we'll go and put the walls on. Okay, remember what I said about if you want it bi-directional, you want to put 2 half walls on there and make one soft-sidable. So make one say wood, make that one say wood if you wanted to. I'm not going to make it like so. Okay, once we've done that, what we want to do is place 2 low walls here in twig, okay, and then 2 full walls, okay, which we're going to make HQM in a bit. So the bunker's nearly done. So what we need now is a ladder. Okay, so next up we want to honeycomb this high foundation. Once we've done that, we can go around the roof on the bunker. That is the wrong way round. So is that. No, it's not. It's me being stupid. There we go, they need to be that way around because we're going to add some honeycomb on, so none of these can be soft-sided as well. There we go, and then obviously we're going to be making some of this HQM very shortly. So I can do some of it now actually if you want. All this at the top is the important stuff that needs to be HQM. This is the main expense of the build. Okay, there we go. So it's just this top piece where they'll blow down needs to be the main HQM. Now in the video I've made these 3 HQM as well, but you could just honeycomb them with some more sheet metal if you wanted to save on the cost. Okay, so next up what we're going to do is we're going to honeycomb one side of this. So I'm going to pick this side. And my build grade as well. There we go. Now we move on to the other side. It's slightly different. So what we need to do is we actually need to honeycomb this triangle here as well. And the reason for that is because we need to place some full walls here. And we need 3 more foundations and a low one here. Okay. So this is the room that opens the bunker. So to do that we're going to put walls on, another high wall, and then you've got to make sure, so this wall can't be soft-sided, that you get 3 frames in here. Okay, like so. And also what we need to do is make these back walls here HQM. Okay. Not sure about that top one. Okay, once that's done, we can put 2 half walls, remove the bottom one, put a low in there. Okay, so that's what's going to open the bunker. And then for the raid cost, unless you want to go around making more HQM, which I don't recommend, I go around and put a ton more honeycomb in on. Okay, like so. Just put it on everywhere. Okay guys, so that is the double bunker core that you can build around. It's a nice shape for honeycombing the base of it and building out. As for other floor plans, I haven't actually currently got a decent floor plan to build around a solely triangle base. So as you can see, just to seal it, there we go. And then pop this down, make this one sheet, and then all we need to do then is to open it up, come over here and get this, and the bunker opens up. Okay guys, so that is how you build the double bunker, which can be made bi-directional if needed. Okay guys, if you've made it this far and you can still hear me talking, do me a favour, drop a like, drop me a comment, do me a favour, thank you very much, and I will catch you guys later.